Hello? 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 Which one do you use when cooking? This or this? Qui sont utilisés lors de faire manger? Est-ce que c'est ça? Ou bien ça? Tell me. Dis-moi. Okay. Would you like to learn phrases about kitchen and food? Est-ce que tu aimes apprendre phrases sur cuisine et manger? Eh bien, c'est vraiment intéressant. Restez là, chita là, nous allons apprendre ensemble. Hey, remember, my name is Daniel, and it's always a pleasure to teach you English and Haitian Creole. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you common English phrases about kitchen and food. I'm going to use both languages, English and Haitian Creole. For example, if you want to say in Haitian Creole, manger à bouler, in English, that is said, the food is burning.
Your food is burning.
So, when you say the food, that means manger is burning. That means ap boule. Now, when you say manger à boule, you say the food burned. And if you want to say manger à boule, the action now. Okay, something is happening right now. You have to say the food is burning. Manger à boule, s'il vous plaît, éteins four. The food is burning. Please turn off the stove. And if you want to say baisser du feu, in Haitian Creole, we say baisser du feu. Okay, du feu is for fire, and you can use it for the heat. Turn down the heat.
Want me to turn down the heat?
Or the fire. Baisser du feu. Baisser, ça qui fait le chaud. Turn down the heat. Baisser du feu. That's okay. Could you say that? Turn down the heat. English, turn down the heat. Repeat after me. Turn down the heat. You, could you say that in Haitian Creole? Turn down the heat. You speak English. Could you say that? Could you repeat that with me? Baisser. Du feu. Baisser du feu. Du feu. Yeah. Good. You're good. Baisser du feu. You who are learning English, could you say that for me? Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat. That's great. Good. Now, a third sentence. If you want to say chaudière débordée, okay. Chaudière, let's say chaudière débordée. Okay, chaudière. What is chaudière? This is the chaudière. Chaudière is the pot. Pot is chaudière. Good. Chaudière. You say that in English, the pot is boiling over. Okay, boiling over. That means li bouilli dépassé et puis li renversé. Okay, good. You say the pot is boiling over. So in Haitian Creole, you say chaudière débordée. That means it's boiling, and then it falls down. You see? Good. You say chaudière débordée. Letter D. The fourth sentence, est-ce que vous pouvez brasser ça pour moi? Brasser, you know, this action. Okay, brasser. Est-ce que vous pouvez brasser ça pour moi? Can you stir this for me? Can you stir this for me? Can you stir this for me? Can you stir this for me, please? Stir is, okay, let me give you an example. For example, you get the big spoon and the pot is on the fire. Is on the stove. It's boiling. You take the big spoon and you are moving this way. This action is to stir. All right. Can you stir for me? Can you stir? Can you stir the pot for me? Est-ce que vous capable brasser chaudière pour moi? You see how to say that? Can you stir the pot for me? Or can you stir the food for me? Est-ce que vous capable brasser manger pour moi? Good. Letter E. The oil is too hot.
The oil too hot?
That means in Haitian Creole, l'huile la trop chaud. Like when you're cooking, you say, oh, the oil is too hot. No, don't put it. Don't put it right now. The oil is too hot. Pas mettre le coup là. Voilà, l'huile la trop chaud, l'huile la trop chaud. Okay, the oil, l'huile la, is too hot, chaud. The oil is too hot. L'huile la trop chaud. Good. Say that in English. The oil is too hot. How to say the oil is too hot in Haitian Creole? L'huile la trop chaud. Great job. Now, next sentence, letter F. The sauce is salty. Do you know how to say that in Haitian Creole? The sauce is salty. That is said, sauce la sali. The sauce is sauce. Whenever you put the article, you just replace it in Haitian Creole by la. Okay, the article, the or the, depends, you say la. Okay, sauce, the same sound, but different spelling, différent orthographe, mais c'est même son. Sauce, sauce. Okay, good, sauce, sauce. It's easy for you guys. The sauce, sauce la, is salty. That means sali. You, how do you say sauce la sali in English? You say the sauce is salty. Good, the sauce is salty. How do you say the sauce is salty in Haitian Creole? How do you say that? Sauce la salée. Good job. Now, how to say poisson piqué? That's the Haitian sentence when talking about fish and spice. Poisson piqué. Poisson piqué. In English, that is said, the fish is spicy. The fish is spicy. Repeat after me. The fish is spicy. The fish is spicy. The fish is spicy. Good job. How do you say that in Creole? Poisson, the fish. Whenever you see the, it can be la, the sauce, or you say sauce la. The fish, you cannot say poisson la, you say poisson un. That means the article, the or the, can be la or un in Haitian Creole. Is spicy for piqué. The fish is spicy, poisson piqué. Now, let's say, don't let it stick to the pan. Don't let it stick to the pan. Do you know what it means in Haitian Creole? Oh, you don't know. Pa kite l kole ak poêlon. Do you know poêlon? What is poêlon? You know what is? Let me show you. This is poêlon. Good. In English, that is said pan. You see the pan? Okay, good. That's pan. Don't let it stick to the pan means in Haitian Creole, pa kite l kole ak poêlon. Don't let it. Pa kite li. Don't let it is for pa kite li. Don't pa let it kite li. Stick kole ak to the poêlon un. Okay, you can say a or un. Poêlon a. Okay, I correct it. You can say a or un, but it's better with un. So, pa kite l kole ak poêlon. Don't let it stick to the pan. This is the pan. Don't let it stick to the pan. Pa kite l kole ak poêlon. That's the way to say that. Now, let's talk about something else. If you want to say diria, kri, or diria pa kwit, or diria kwit trop, diria trop kwit, you say diria kri. Diria kri is the same thing when you say diria pa kwit. Good. You can say diria kri or diria pa kwit. Good. You see that in brackets. Diria kri or diria pa kwit. Same thing. In English, you say the rice is undercooked. The rice is undercooked. The rice is undercooked means diria kri or diria pa kwit. The same thing. Now, if you want to say the rice is overcooked, the rice is overcooked means in Haitian Creole, diria trop cuit. You see? I think you understand. Diria plus trop cuit. Trop cuit is overcooked. Good. Diria trop cuit. The rice is overcooked. We got 4 more sentences. If you want to say the food is cold, do you know what it means in Haitian Creole when you say the food is cold? You understand that in English. And about Haitian, how do you say that in Haitian? You say that manger a fret. Good. Manger is for food. Remember, you can say for the, la, un, and a. Okay, good. So when about the sauce, when it's about the sauce, you say sauce la. You cannot say sauce un. Okay. When about the fish, you cannot say poisson a. You say poisson un. Good. And when it's about food, you can say manger un, but it's better to say manger a. It's okay. Good. The food is called manger a fret. Now, manger a fini la kala. So We don't have food anymore. Nou pa gen manje la kay la. Manje fini la kay la. So, manje fini la kay la. No food. You say we're out of food. We don't have food. We're out of food means manje fini la kay la. There's no food at home. There's no food here. There's no food at the kitchen. Good. And now, lave assiette yo. That's a way to say when you finish eating to do the dishes. Good. Lave assiette yo. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Lave assiette yo. Wash the dishes. Wash means lave. Assiette, the dishes. Assiette yo. The dishes. Now, the becomes yo because dishes is in plural. The dishes. Assiette yo. Good. Lave assiette yo. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Lave assiette yo. I think you can say that. Now, take out the trash. Take out the trash means in Haitian Creole, jeter fatra. Take out the trash. You see the becomes a in Haitian Creole here. Take out the trash. Take out. Take out means jeter. Take out, jeter, trash, fatra. Okay, the for a. Good. Take out the trash. You see? Take out the trash. Take out the trash, jeter fatra. Sounds good. How to say in Haitian Creole the sauce is salty? That is said, sauce la salée. Good. Sauce la salée. And how to say the fish is spicy in Haitian Creole? Poisson piqué. Good. You good. Poisson piqué. And how to say don't let it stick to the pan. Don't let it stick to the pan in Haitian Creole is said, pa kite l kole ak poêlon. Pa kite l kole ak poêlon. Good. And how to say the rice is undercooked or the rice is overcooked in Haitian Creole? You say, diria cuit ou diria pas cuit. The rice is undercooked. Diria trop cuit. The rice is overcooked. Good. And how to say the food is cold in Haitian Creole? That is said, manger à frette. It's cold, manger à frette. So you have to heat it. Ou dwe chauffer. You have to heat it. Good. How to say manger fini la kay la in English? In English, you say that we're out of food. There's no food at home. And how to say wash the dishes in Haitian Creole? Lave assiette yo. Lave assiette yo. You're good. Lave assiette yo. And how to say take out the trash in Haitian Creole is said jeter fatra. Jeter fatra petit. I'm done. Don't worry. But before going, you know what you're going to do? This sentence, you're going to translate it into Haitian Creole in the comments. The okra sauce is delicious. The okra sauce is delicious. What you have to do, write the Creole sentence in the comment. Translate that into Haitian Creole to see exactly if you understand Creole, if you can write a Haitian sentence. Let's go. Okay, go to the comment. I want to see if you can write a Haitian sentence. Do it right now. Remember, my name is Daniel. What you have to do, like, comment, and share, and hype the video. Nou kon sa pou nou fè, pataje, like, sipote, si span egois. Mdou yo din sa. Good, I love you. Nap kwaze nou lot pi bel leso ankon. Bye.